On that fated day, he caught me off guard, rushed in like a gush of wind, interrupting my so-called life that I had built on sand, blew it open, exposing the fragile foundation of man-made constructs. Love has spoken. The time has come for Sleeping Beauty to awaken. He knew the assignment, executed it with precision. He knew before I knew. With his hug, huge embrace, a bear hug and a magical kiss is all it took. The days, the confusion, the rush of lifetimes flashed before my mind. The resemblance and remembrance of destinies all unfolded like a film rolling in front of my eyes. He always knew, kept the secret of our togetherness, protected our miracle until it was the right time for the reveal. The love was fated, and he always knew, kept it by his heart, but he always knew. Fated.